Hello everyone, welcome to Yoga with me. I'm Lina and today I've got a beautiful practice for you. It's going to bring renewal and balance into your life. Go and grab something comfortable to sit on and we can get started. So bring one hand to your heart, one hand to your belly. Just take a deep breath in and breathe out. Breathing in again, allowing your breath to go all the way down to your belly. And as you breathe out, just feel your shoulders are just dropping. Breathing in again. As you breathe out, feel your body relaxing, feeling really grounded on the mat to Mother Earth. Just feeling really, really relaxed. Relaxing your hands either on your lap or on your knees. And you're just slowing things down. Just taking a moment to relax. Breathing deeply. When you breathe deeply, you're allowing the oxygen to nourish your whole body, your mind. You can either relax or energize. So just taking a moment to see what's happening. Then gently opening your eyes. And now we're going to stretch our legs in front. And now just coming into butterfly. Massaging our feet again because they get neglected. It's nice to give them a massage. You know, if you've ever had reflexology, when I used to practice reflexology, my clients used to love it, my family still love it. Really is amazing. Each point is a mirror in the body, and when you stimulate and work on a point, it just sends a message to your body to help to relax, rejuvenate, to balance, and so much more. Okay, so now just bringing your hands to your ankles, and as you breathe in, you're looking up, and as you breathe out, you're looking down. Breathing in and looking up, breathing out and looking down. One more time, breathing in, looking up, breathing out and looking down. And just hanging here, just feeling a beautiful stretch on your back, on your neck, breathing deeply. And then coming forward and opening up your throat, your chest, your belly. Again, breathing deeply, allowing the oxygen to be delivered everywhere, nourishing your whole body. Breathe deeply. Then bringing your legs together into cross-legged. And we're just going to squeeze our shoulders up and down. Again, breathe in, stretch up. You might want to close your eyes and drop your shoulders. Breathe in and stretch up. Breathe out and drop them one more time. Breathe in, stretch up your shoulders, squeeze, and let them drop. And then we're going to do some shoulder rotations, just gently going one direction, slowly Breathing in as you come forward. Breathing out as you come back. One more time, breathing in as you come forward. Breathing out as you come back. Let's go the other direction. Breathing in as you come forward. Breathing out as you come back. Breathing in as you come forward. Breathing out as you come back. One more time. Breathing in as you come forward. Breathing out as you come back. Now we're just going to take our arms, breathe in, and as they come up, stretch up, push your tailbone down. And as you breathe out, just bringing them down. Breathing in, take your hands up. Breathing out, bring your hands down. Breathing in, arms up. Breathing out, bring your hands down. Bringing your hands in front now, breathing in as they come forward, breathing out as they come back. Breathing in, curving your spine as you come forward, breathing out, coming back, opening up your heart and your throat and your belly. Breathing in, coming forward, breathing out, coming back. One more time, breathing in, coming forward, breathing out, coming back. Now we're just going to go from side to side. So breathing in, coming to one side, breathing out, coming to the other. You might even want to bring your hands to the shoulders. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Now you can do it at this pace or you can speed it up. Close your eyes. Focus on your breath. And then just coming to the center, relax your hands on your knees. And then just going into a twist, placing the opposite hand to the knee, the hand behind you, and just stretching as far as you can, feeling a beautiful stretch on the back of your neck and your back, your shoulders, even your arm. Just take a couple of deep breaths here. And then coming to the center, breathe in. Let's take the opposite hand to the knee, the other hand behind you. Push that hand down and breathe in. And as you breathe out, just do a gentle twist. Beautiful stretch on your neck. Feeling a stretch on the arms. Just breathe here as you feel a gentle stretch. Just letting go of anything that's no longer serving you, it's not working for you. Just allowing to float away like clouds on a sunny day. And then just breathe in and come to the center. And then just letting your head hang here. You can keep your legs cross-legged, relaxing your hands and just gently letting your head hang, feeling a beautiful stretch, the back of your head, neck, and your shoulders. Just breathing deeply just allowing yourself to just relax, bringing back balance and renewal. And then bringing your head up, bringing your hands to your heart center, thanking your body for everything it does for you, to love and appreciate your body, thanking it, appreciating your blessings. Thank you for joining me today in this renewal and balance yoga class. Subscribe so I can continue making free videos on YouTube. Share with anyone who would appreciate and even benefit from this class. And I hope to see you again on the mat. I can't wait to practice with you again. And until next time, namaste.